You're being recorded, Victor. Give it over your music.
I'm going to do the next 3 parts in this.
How's Betty doing? Where's Betty? There's Betty. Hi, Betty. What you doing? Hi, Betty. What you doing? Betty's a cute budgie. Is Victor teaching you today? Yeah, you said something, eh? Say it again. What's Victor doing? Is he teaching you today? Continue your lesson, Victor. People want to hear your lesson to Betty. Continue. You finished already? Did you say, Betty? Come on, say something. Victor? You don't want to talk no more? Okay, we stop it here then. How you doing today, Victor? You're being recorded. Want to say something? Betty? You say something? You're just sitting back there in the chair, Betty? Behind Victor? You guys want to go out in your cage? Victor, do you want to go in your cage? Come on, say something. Tell me a joke. Tell me what Betty said. You don't feel like talking today?
I believe that God is saying that we need to hear how others communicate to our soul spiritually in reverse when we may not think they are saying anything of importance in the forward mode. So in part 8 and forward, I just talk for a long period of time, and then the reverse of the first part that I say, have fun as we approach everything. And then I say, yes, the angels are supporting life with my system. If you know how to do it, you can evolve in all of it. And part 9, I'm talking continuously again, and then the reverse of what I say, it says, part of you needs reverse to learn how to listen. It's much easier to see that reverse is now the channel you need. Earth will really use it. So now you can hear part 8 and 9.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, this is hot. Sila lumiwas. O di mas. Masiyas na. Siya binugnawid. Siya binugnawid. Niya. He never had this. It must is you. It must is no. There are you need. Earth, it is new deal.
I'm going to put the next three paragraphs together, which is 10, 11, and 12. In them, God talks about throwing passion into it spiritually, so you can receive the hidden messages. Then he talks about eternity, and when you see heaven, you will know it is reality. Then he talks about how we are given serenity by the angels or divinities in heaven, and how hearing them will bring you spiritual gifts. Lastly, he asks if you would like to be an angel, and if you would like to, you have the right. So in part 10, when I'm talking in reverse, I say, and if you pass the effort and throw passion on it spiritually, you'll receive some of the hidden messages for eternity. When you get to see heaven, this heaven is a reality. In part 11, I say, you're given serenity via divinities. You'll get used to hearing this. Hearing prophecy here will bring you spiritual gifts. And in part 12, do you wish to be an angel? If you wish to be an angel, you have the right.
You wish to be there, yeah.